Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim from nasimraj.com. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make a portfolio website. That means if you are a freelancer or newcomer and want to make money from online by doing freelancing, this video will be helpful to you because right now freelance marketplace are going to saturated. So it's quite hard to get job on there. So right now you have to try to get job out of the marketplace. So getting out of the marketplace job, you need to build your trust to your client. So a website will help you to get your client attention and build your trust. Right now, a lot of tools available in the market to provide a complete portfolio site for you. But in this video, I will show you how you can use WordPress and make a portfolio website. WordPress is very popular and here is a lot of flexibility. And for making a portfolio website, we need to follow few steps. First step, we need a domain name and hosting plan that should be connected. If you buy a domain and hosting from the same company, then your integration will be very easier and their support will help you how you can integrate it. So it's so simple. That's why I am going to skip that. But I will give a link of Namecheap in my video description. If you follow the link and buy a domain, you will get a cheaper domain from that. And if possible to provide the coupon code, I will give on this video description. So don't forget to check this out. And now let's go on WordPress and see how you can install a theme. This is the WordPress dashboard and we need to install a theme because our website is now looking this. This is not a professional theme. So for choosing theme is the important part to make a portfolio website because a professional looking theme will help you to attract the client. Okay, so I will suggest you to pick a professional theme called Avada. This is the high volume of sale in theme forest and this is very cool. Okay, just you need to buy this one, this, and when you will buy, you will see in your download section. Just download it. Installable WordPress file only. I am downloading this file and I want to keep this one on desktop and then save it. And now we need to install it on our website. Let's install it. Go to appearance, then theme and upload theme. Choose new file and theme forest. Just select it and then install it. So it will take few seconds to uploading the file, but before that let's see some awesome template from this theme. Okay, let's go to live preview. So this is the live preview of their official theme, but we going to check the pre-built website. So let's go to the pre-built website. So here is 100 plus pre-built website. So for portfolio you will see a few options from their pre-built section, but let's see which one will be the best. So here is the category you can select for portfolio and see what is the best for you. So it's for specific Avada programmer, digital agency, videographer. Okay, so different kind of people actually can use this same theme. Okay, so this is specific for freelancer and this is for like portfolio online resume. Let's see the freelancer and this resume. This two one I personally like to see, and here you can see how look is this. It's pretty good, but let's see the resume. You can see this is very professional, and I will choose this one to make my website for today. Okay, so let's go on there, and here you can see our theme is installed successfully, and then hit active. So here you can see right now our theme is registered, and let's see, click on get started and activate plugin. We need to install few plugins that are required to installing this theme, so that's why it's activating, and we need to keep the theme name. Work with Nasim Raja, and tagline, let's grow your business. Okay, and then click next, and here you can see this is the option to select the pre-built template that we already select that one. So select portfolio, and then select this one, resume. Just select it, and we want to click on continue. So don't, just if you want to active it under the maintenance mode, you can do that, but if you not, then you can select this one, and you can see all the theme elements like images, content, slider are activated, and it say congrats Nasim. So that's mean our account is ready. Now let's see, this was our website, and hit the reload, and let's see what is happening. Yes, here it is. Now you can see our website is look good, and but this is just a template. We need to just customize it. So I will not show you the full customization. I will show you a little bit of customization, how you can do that. Okay, so here you can see the edit live. If you click on that, then this website will open on the right mode, and you can change the title like this, let's grow your business with me, Nasim Reja, digital marketer. So like this you can change the every element, you can change it. Okay, so if you want to change the background, just you need to click on there, and you have to find the background section. So design, this is this color, and this is the background. Okay, so this image are on there, just you need to, you can remove that, and if you want, you can select the color, whatever color you like, you can pick this one. Okay, so this is now, but if you want, you can select your own photo from your computer, or like for example, I just want to add my photo. I don't know my photo on, so for example, I just want to add a background. So this is from the my computer. Just I'm going to show you how you can change. Okay, so color, right now we need to remove that color. So color, remove it, and we have to remove the color. We have to remove the color, then it will show us. Okay, so gradient color, So that's actually how you can change the element of your website. So this is very easy, so you can change anything from anywhere. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how you can change the you have to change menu. So because in this menu section is shop page, product, loop, so we, if you want to change that, then you can select that. So you can add new menu. Okay, so main menu left, if you select that, then you can see the shop page on there, and shop page should, like, they are invisible. So this actually the changing way how you can change your theme, how you can customize this website. Okay, so I am going to exit to dashboard and let's reload this website. Shop page, product page, single product feature, you can change from this one. For example, you can change this name like portfolio. Okay, then save it and go to website and reload it. So it's not changed yet, it will take few time, but no problem, it will change. Okay, so basically the all the feature you will see from here. So this is super cool, and you just need to do manually, and you have to spend time, and you have to do it slowly. Okay, so if you want, you can hire someone expert from uh, Upwork or Fiverr marketplace, then you can easily customize like professionally. But I think it's not so difficult like this. If you spend few hours, if you are a little bit of practical, you can easily customize this theme, and you have to spend time with it. Okay, so if you want, you can hire someone expert and made a professional website. From that, you can buy a theme and you can spend a little bit money of for customization. Okay, so and you can easily do it by yourself if you have experience with Canva or this kind of thing. So if you get a lot of like if you search on YouTube, you will get a lot of tips and tricks and how you can make a professional looking website, and there is a lot of template on available there, so you can easily just, you have to select and you have to customize it. So this is how you can make a pre-built website. You can easily make portfolio website by using pre-built. So see you on the next one. That's all I wanted to show you today. So if you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a great day.